Hello YouTube. Today once again I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on your Lexus CT200H. The headlight bulbs. But I decided to change it with the LED light. So first thing you do is this cover over here. You have to remove all the clips, and this one too you can remove if you want, the clips right here and right here. So I already removed the clips, and that's it. This side over here, and this one too. So the headlights is located, oh no, you need to remove one more thing over here because it's gonna get into your hands too. There's a clip over here with this plastic holder. The clip, there's two clips. You have to remove that. I'm gonna remove that later on, purpose of demonstration. The headlights is all the way to the right. It's all the way to the right. So I already removed the head bulbs. So there is a tab here all the way to the end of the connector. Just push that down and you can easily remove the bulb. So just press that tab right here. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a tab over here, this part here. All right, and I have the excuse me, I have the head bulbs, no, the LED headlights that I bought from the store. This cost me about almost $130 for the pair. So it's easy. It's just a plug and play. This one just insert it to the housing itself, and then this one will go to the tab that there's a clip that I show you. So that's the power supply. So it's a plug and play. It's very easy. So I mean, then of course it's beautiful day today. I'm here on the park, so I'll be gonna be installing that, because I cannot install that with one hands, using holding my phone to shoot the video. So I'm gonna continue that after I install it. Already nice. Okay, before I forget again, let's see, the clip, you can use a flat screw, a small one. Just pry this one on the top, the small one, and just pry him, so you can easily remove the clips. Because if you don't remove this on the top, you're gonna have problem removing that, or you're gonna damage the clips. So I would advise you have extra clip if you want to remove the clips. Okay, dokie. Again, before I forgot, the LED lights have a polarity. So if you plug this and it won't turn on the lights, just flip it over, because the polarity need to change. And this one here, I don't know what they call this, small ballast probably, but you can just zip tie that whatever you want to zip tie it. It's a plug and play. Okie dokie. Okay, I already finished installing the LED bulbs on both sides, passenger and driver side. Again, on this side you have a little bit more room for your hands to work on it, but on the passenger side it's very small. So be careful on the sharp edge of the plastic, the metal. So I would advise you guys to wear gloves at least on the passenger side. And I'm gonna install back all the cover, and 1 and 2. So on the daylights you can see much, but it's working. Thank you.